CJ.
Thank you. Oh, I forgot.
High five.
Backpack for the kids. You have the backpack for the kids. Do you want any?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, she's BPK.
She's beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful.
How are you?
Very well, yourself?
You in the Philippines recently?
Yes, I was.
June? Is that
I
June?
was in Cebu. Yeah.
June?
June 27th. My son
Yeah,
got
I
married.
remember.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
In the Philippines?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Are you from Cebu or?
No, I'm from Mindanao.
She turns 5 in September.
Mindanao?
Yeah, your son married a Filipino?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Nurse.
Nice.
He's a teacher.
Oh, very good. Very nice.
Long flight.
It is 28 how 28
Yeah,
hours
28.
travel.
28.
Yeah.
28, yeah. I mean, with a layover in
Yes.
Istanbul.
Have a great day.
Yes, you too. Take care. You're doing a great job.
Thank you. The backpack Christiana.
Want to go get a backpack?
This one keeps good. How are you? Go CJ. Go CJ. Come on. This one is two. He's on terrible 2 now.
Vanessa had, remember you guys
Yes.
were going to sing.
What you say?
Heavy.
Thank you.
To lift it?
Put it on. Put it on.
You're
Heavy.
yeah.
We'll see.
Thank
She
you.
got it. She's strong.
Which
Yeah.
one would you like to have? What's his name?
CJ.
TJ, which one would you want?
Maybe Superman.
Spider-Man?
Oh, Spider-Man. He had Spider-Man face painting yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You're
You
gonna be
guys are
back
so
on time.
cute.
You go to school. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh my gosh. CJ. Go CJ.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on, put in your bag. Have a great day.
To be able you too.
Okay, let's go guys. Come on.
Like, well, that's yours?
Come on, go get. Babe, can you carry it?
Oh no,
He wants to wear it, so I'll hold it.
Okay.
I'll help him. Let's go, bud.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye. Have a nice day. Come on. Go this way, honey, in the car. That way. School? You ready for school? Agoy, agoy. School time. Come on. This way. This way. Come here. You need help? Ayan mga kaibigan, oh, mayroong extra na bag si Agoy-Agoy. Binigyan sila sa simbahan. Ayan. Tapos, mayroong laman. Buksan natin ang laman nito.
Want me to hold it?
Ayaw niyang hawakan. Okay. Oops! Matumba ka. Okay. Okay, ayan. May bag si CJ mga kaibigan, oh.
She's strong.
So, pag back to school dito, binigyan sila ng mga school supplies. School supplies. Here is St. Francis. Okay, I help you. Okay.
Let him go. Let him cry.
I don't want the bag gonna get ruined. He gonna drag it. Mabigat kasi
Daddy
siya.
carry for you. All right, let's go. Come on.
Ando na si Ate Christiana, mga kaibigan. Dito kasi maraming mga school supplies, pinamimigay, back to school. Kahit sang simbahan po ata yan. Ganon po sila. Oh, si CJ. Yan ang bag ni CJ kapag mag-school na siya. Open the door, Dada. Oh, I have the key pala. Sorry. Sorry, Goy. Nandito pala sa akin ang key. Make sure it's not drag, babe.
He give up now. You
Okay,
realize?
give me, put in here. May laman na mga ano pala yan. Buksan natin yan. Buksan na yan sa bahay, Goy, kasi I'm sure meron yung mga pencil. Okay? Mamaya na yan buksan. Put, yes. I put the seat belt. Oh.
Bag back here.
Oh, the backpack? Okay, here. Give it to him. Okay, here, CJ. Here, CJ, oh. Ano muna? He wants his Superman.
Oh, that's what he, Spider-Man.
Oh, spider. Spider pala to. Ano ba yan? Kala ko Superman. Parehong kulay pula.
Come on, CJ, stop.
Hold on, okay? Bigay natin sa kanya. Ha? School supplies? Ibutang, ilagay mo muna sa bag, please. You want your bag, CJ? Ano? Okay.
My crayon box. There's a crayon box.
Okay, mamaya na buksan. Huwag mo ipakita kay CJ. Pag ipakita mo yan, ano na.
There's a crayon box.
Huwag mo ipakita kay CJ. Bahay na kay pag ipakita mo dito yan. Talagang,
There's a crayon box inside here.
ha?
There's a crayon box inside here.
Awesome.
Yeah, oh nice. You can use that for school.
It's a pink.
Hala, ang daming laman pala ng bag na to.
What is it?
Wow, kaya pala ang bigat.
You got all the supplies.
Yeah, a lot of notebooks.
Yeah, cool.
That's
You
why
set,
it's so
you set
good.
for the year now.
You're all set for your year, guy. Dami parang laman ng bag na to. Ang daming
That's
ano
the
doon,
batteries
daming
for the-
mga,
What we got last night.
yeah. She can use that one. I'm sure they have a lot of, writing in school. You have a lot of supply, Christiana. Ang bait ng mga staff ng simbahan. Pero usually dito, namimigayan sila. Maraming namimigay ng mga school supplies.
Where you want to go next?
Up to you, babe.
I want to see if I can find some shorts for like around the house.
You wanna go to Kohl's?
About TJ Maxx. Yeah, I didn't think about Kohl's.
Kohl's is for sure.
Walmart didn't.
No. Wala. You don't have it. Daming laman ng ano nila. Ayan mga kaibigan, pakita ko. Pasilip lang natin kay CJ. Makita niya to. Ayan, ang daming laman, oh. Napaslikod, oh. Mga notebook. Binigyan din si CJ kahit bata pa. Kahit maliit pa. So, Spider-Man.
Mine's the big
Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol!
CJ, Agoy love the Paw Patrol.
Yeah.
Are you gonna share the Paw Patrol to Philippines?
One of them.
Because you already have,
the capsule bag.
yes. And some stuff inside.
And we'll show this blue one.
Okay. Share daw niya. Galing naman, complete school supplies. Ma'am Leia, salamat. Oh, kumpleto na, ma'am. Nagbili kami kahapon ng notebook niya. Isa lang. Isa at pencil. Mayroon na siya. Nanubra na. Pero dito, mayroon pong mga schedule, lalo na yung mga sa city, like para sa atin, sa barangay, mayroon pong namimigay. Pupunta ka lang doon, magbigay sila ng anong address, anong oras, sila mamigay. Marami pong mga charity na bibigay ng mga school supplies, mga firefighter, namimigay din sila. Ano yan, John? Asan yung car ni si Jigoy? Nandyan siguro, ano? Na?
It's locked.
Ha?
There on the floor somewhere.
Ah, nasa floor. Okay.
My bunny.
Bigyan mo kay CJ doon. Doy, give it to CJ. Ah, ito. Wala.
CJ. Whoa! Whoa.
Tapos ng simba, nagsimba kami. Ayan si Daan pala kami sa tindahan kaya magbili si Chris ng short.
I want to go.
Nako, si CJ
I want to go home.
Mamaya na, okay. Unahin natin. You wanna go home?
No, I said we will.
Ah, okay. Yeah, we will go home. Wow, daming gamit si Agoy and CJ. Malu, Luisa, Esperida. Oo, ma'am, mayroon silang meron silang mga pa-schools. Oo, buti dyan, maganda ang gobyerno, may mamigay. Oo, Ma'am Sharon Faigmani. Pag lalo ng ganyan, tapos nagdi-discount din sila ng back to school discount. Kaya yung mga gamit sa mga bata sa school, no? Mga ano na po, mga naka-discount po. Mura lang siya. Kasi naka-discount. Maganda po dito mga kaibigan kasi lalo na pag mga parents dito may mga 5 anak, siyempre mahal din kaya din yung mga bag. Tapos namimili pa sila ng sapatos. Namimili pa ng yung ibang school may uniform pa. Pero yung school ni Christiana, they don't have uniform, right? No? Yung school ni Chris. The balloon. Don't do that to Dada. Give it to CJ. Walang uniform pala sila agoy-agoy. Yung ibang school mayroon. Tapos yung mga sapatos ng bata dito, mahal din. Nasa mga 30 to 50 din. Depende. Pero pwede kang bumili ng yung mga mumura. Pero sus ko, 1 linggo lang, masira na, di ba? Lakas yung mga tumakbo-takbo dyan. So, at least ito paano nakatulong din. Dami mga kaibigan, depende kung sa ibang town, meron din.
What, CJ?
Nakita niya, ay, tinanggal ng sapatos ni Dodo. Di sana mag-discount din sa ibang, pero mostly dito sa mayroon talaga back to school discount. Yung kahapon mga kaibigan, mayroong mga tag 40 cents yun sa mana 50 cents na pang gamit. Yung bag nila naka-on sale din. Aywa ganyan be kay pumuputok yung balon.
It's okay.
Nakabili kahapon si Christiana ng bag. Akala ko yun yung presyo. Pagdating tinan ko sa resibo. So akala ko mahal. Naka-discount pala. Ano yan, CJ? Be, baro mo muna kay CJ yung balon, be. Yung balon nila kahapon, binigyan sila. Binigyan sila kahapon ng balons. Ay, may binigyan ng pencil, sharpener. Doon sa yung pinuntahan naming event sa mga bata. Mayroong mga ballpen, crayons. Oo, nag-school pa dito, ma'am. Monday ang simula sa depende sa ibang mga pala eskwelahan kasi yung private, iba yung araw nila eh. Pero August ang simula. Iba daw sa Norway. Kailan kaya magsimula sa Norway, Ma'am Maren? Dito August. Nasira na yung balon ni Agoy-Agoy. Maano dito ngayon, maulap. Nasaan yung balon mo? Wala na. Hello sa inyo mga kaibigan. Huwag mong putukin yung balon mo kay sus. Sayang. Aha, yep.
Peanuts.
Maybe we'll go after Coles.
I won't be open yet.
They're not open yet.
I don't think it's open 11:30 or 12.
Last time it's 11.
11:30.
Somebody's over there.
Third week pa. Third week pa pala. Excited na tong isa. Sabi niya, may pasok ba ngayon? Excited na siya.
11:30.
Huwag mong anuin yung ano mo. Mahilig siyang magkagat sa kanyang yung kanyang kuko. Si Cristiana. Kahit maliit, kinakagat-kagat.
Yeah, 11:30.
Mahilig siyang mag-nail beating. No, go back? 11:30?
Yeah.
Oh, that's time.
Mommy's gonna take us to
I wanna go to
Peanuts.
the Lowe's too. Maybe they have sunflower. Naka-ano yan si Cristiana, naka-short yan. Pag naka-dresses, every time, naka-short pants.
Any shorts for around the house.
Laging naka-short pants yan si Agoy
Shorts around the
Agoy.
house are too big. They won't stay on.
Pag naka-dress, short pants yan siya, palda. Kasi alam mo na yung
Didn't we
batuta.
go to Coast before, Daddy?
No, yeah, we've been here.
Daddy, didn't
Ayan, good luck po sa mga kabataan na pumapasok na.
Coast before.
Bukas may pasok na rin yung college ko. Wow, good luck, ma'am. Oh, buti pa si ma'am, may college na. Dito mga kaibigan, yung yung pag-school ng elementary. Yung school ni Cristiana na siya. BPK siya, mayroon siyang oras. May oras lang po siya na papasok at uuwi, ganyan. Mas maaga. Mas maaga ngayon. Ano man CJ? We need to ride him in the cart because you know what he gonna do. Isakay lang namin sa cart si CJ kasi manghila ito dun, baka makabasag tayo sa loob.
Take them off.
Yeah, put his shoes because
You get mad if you don't.
Okay. Bye-bye muna. Ipasakay namin sa cart si CJ kaya alam mo na ang ganyang edad. Hindi yan ipatlakad doon. Sige mga kaibigan ha, ingat po. Bye-bye. Come here, Goy. Pasok muna kami, bili ng short ni Chris kay ang short ni Chris naluwang na. Your shirt is loose now?
What? These shorts? Oh yeah.
Na-loose
I'm
na ang
talking
short
about
ni
I
Chris.
need the ones from around the house when
Goy!
close it. Lock it.
Nasa gilid siya, Goy. Bye-bye po.